Welcome back to Pooja's Recipes. Today we are going to make tasty prasad for Navratri. I'm going to make Suji halwa. It's a bit different. I've tried to make myself before also, and let's hope that you will also like it. I'm making for Mata Rani's prasad. So let's begin. This is 1 katori of suji. This is coarse suji. You can take any suji you want to. This is around 100 or 210 grams of khoya, mawa, what we called. These are 10 to 15 cashews, whole cashews, 4 to 5 cardamoms. These are raisins, black raisins. See, these are black raisins. Coconut, desiccated coconut powder. This is saffron for garnishing. Ghee, 2 tablespoons, big tablespoons, and this is almost the same quantity as suji. Almost 1 katori of sugar. Let's start making halwa. I've taken this pan and started the heat on now. First of all, I'm going to add this ghee. Let the ghee melt first. Then we are going to add cardamoms to it. Keep the heat not very high, just medium high. I'm going to add these cardamoms now, and also just toss them for 30 to 40 seconds. I'm going to add these cashews just for 30-40 seconds. Then we are going to take these cashews out of this ghee, and then we'll add these later. Make sure that they don't change color, just for a few seconds. Now next I'm going to add this suji, and keep the flame very low. The most important part of this halwa is that the suji shouldn't change its color. It should remain like as it is. It should remain very light in color. Just it should not be raw, but it shouldn't change its color also. So I'm just roasting it for a few minutes on very slow flame so that its rawness is gone. Keep tossing it. It is just going to take us 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, now it's been 2 to 3 minutes now. I have just kept stirring this on very slow flame. Now next I'm going to add these black raisins. This also I'm just going to toss it with suji. Now I'm just going to add this mawa, khoya. This is going to be really very tasty prasad for bhog. You just have to see that this mawa melts, and then we'll add the next ingredient. See, I'm just trying to mix this mawa, but make sure that the flame doesn't go high. You have to keep the flame on very slow. See, this mawa is melting now, almost. This mawa is melted now in the suji. Now what I'm going to do is, I have taken this pan. I'm going to add this sugar. And this is 1 bowl of sugar, and I'm going to add 2 bowls of water to it, and we'll just boil for 1 minute. I've taken the same bowl, 1 katori sugar and 2 bowls of water. We'll just let it boil for 1 minute. Sugar is melted now. Now I'm going to just leave it for just 1 minute or maybe 30-40 seconds. We have to make sure that this sugar doesn't caramelize. It shouldn't get into chashni. We just have to boil it for around 1 minute. See, it's been 1 minute now. This sugary water is ready. This is not converted into syrup or chashni. This is just melted and boiled for 1 minute. I'm going to add this chashni to this halwa. The flame is still very low. I'm going to add these cashews back into the halwa. And now I'm going to add one teaspoon this of desiccated coconut powder, and just mix it quickly. It's smelling so good. There's excellent color also, and it's going to be very, very tasty. Because it's already bhog we are making for Mata Rani, so it's already blessed. Now it's like everything is mixed together. I'm just going to add this sugar water. Make the flame high now and quickly add. You have to keep mixing it. Water has been soaked now. You will mix properly. This looks wonderful, but I think it still needs some more water, so I'm just going to add a little bit of boiling water to it. Don't use cold water. If you think that still it looks very dry, just add hot boiling water to it. So I'm going to add hot boiling water to it, around another half a cup, and make the flame high. See, the cashews and this black raisins are looking awesome. We are not going to use any other nuts, no almonds, no other thing. Just these cashews and black raisins. Keep mixing it, and then I'm going to make this flame low now. And I'm going to cover this for 2 to 3 minutes now. This looks perfect now. You don't need to add more water to it. Going to close the lid and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. 2 to 3 minutes now. I just kept it on the slow flame. It's properly cooked now. See, ghee has also come out released. It looks perfect. Aroma is awesome. Color is also very good. The black raisins also, they look very good. Make sure that this color of suji doesn't change at all. It's going to take a bit of time then, but it's going to be very, very nice then. I'm going to serve it now for prasad. We have served this prasad in this bowl. See how wonderful it looks. This aroma is also very, very good. I'm just going to garnish this halwa with a bit of saffron. So I've served this bhog thali. I had already made these puris and chana, and I've served also halwa prasad with this. This thali is ready for bhog for Mata Rani. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Jai Mata Di.